Is the Smooth Spine Triple Fusion Massager the real deal, or just another online scam? If you're struggling with back pain, sciatica, or herniated discs, you've probably seen this device pop up everywhere. So, here's my full 2026 review, and a quick step-by-step on how it actually works. First off, the Smooth Spine isn't a scam in the sense that it doesn't exist. It's a legit 3-in-1 massager, blending vibration, heat, and dynamic traction. Thousands of users report real relief after just a week or two of daily sessions, especially those with chronic back pain. On sites like Trustpilot, the build quality and pain relief for sciatica get a lot of love from buyers. But nothing's perfect. The most common complaints? Shipping delays, sometimes 2 to 3 weeks, and customer support that's tough to reach if you run into problems. A handful of users say their orders never arrived, so keep that in mind before you buy. It's not a scam, but returns and refunds can be hit or miss, depending on the seller. Now, if you already have the Smooth Spine, here's how to use it safely and get the best results. Place the massager on a flat, firm surface. Think floor, yoga mat, or a firm bed. Plug it in using the USB cable and make sure your power source is strong enough. Lie down slowly, positioning the 135-degree curve right under your lower back. For a hands-off experience, long press the power button to start the 30-minute auto mode. Want something specific? Short press the mode button. Blue light for vibration, green for traction and stretch, red for soothing heat. Stick to 15 to 30 minutes a day. Pros? It combines 3 therapies, fits your spine naturally, and comes with a washable cover and travel bag. Cons? It's not cordless, customer service can be tricky, and shipping might take a while. As always, if you've got a pacemaker, are pregnant, or had recent back surgery, check with your doctor first.